Hi there, Evan from Rollercam showing you our rope roller. Our rope roller is designed to easily tension accessory cord ranging in diameter from 2mm to 4mm. The rope roller uses patented rope tension technology designed to allow for ease of tensioning and securing accessory cord or paracord. The rope roller is cast using a Zamac alloy, a stainless steel spring and clip, and a marine-grade brass roller. Using the rope roller is easy. The accessory cord is fed through the bottom and pulled with tension. The brass roller allows for higher load and ease of use. Integrated into the body of the rope roller is a spring clip, which may be secured onto tent flies, other objects, or back onto itself. This allows for a secure anchor point. To release the rope roller, simply press down on the release and pull the accessory cord through. The accessory cord provided with the rope roller is a 3mm blue with reflective weave for easy recognition. The rope roller may be used in a variety of areas, from securing tarps and tents to quickly cinching accessory cord on any device. This is a must for any outdoor bag, medical kit, or camping box. The rope roller, when used with the included accessory cord, will fail in the 105 to 110 pound range. Utilizing a safety factor of 3, we recommend a working load of 35 pounds. Always be safe out there, check for wear, and please keep in mind that our products should not be used for climbing or lifting.